Looks like the Kardashians have a little basketball player coming. Khloe Kardashian is reportedly pregnant with a precious baby boy, and we could not be more thrilled for the reality star and her boyfriend Tristan Thompson. This exciting news was reported by a leading daily on October 25th, after speaking with multiple sources. The mag also noted that Khloe paid a visit to a specialist at Cedar Sinai Medical Center in LA for her 20-week checkup on October 9. That puts the star past her 22-week mark at this point, which means she's already more than halfway done with her pregnancy. Where has the time gone? Not only does Khloe have a baby on the way though, but she may also have a wedding to plan for eventually too. After all, her relationship with Tristan is reportedly going strong. The source also added, marriage is definitely in the cards. They're just waiting for the right time to move forward. Khloe doesn't want to rush into anything. Meanwhile, Khloe's sisters Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner are also expecting little ones. Kylie is reportedly pregnant with a baby girl, while Kim is also expecting a girl but via a surrogate. All three sisters are due early next year. Hollywood Nowers, are you excited with the news of Khloe and Tristan having a baby boy? Share your thoughts with us and subscribe to the channel now.